Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. So today I'm working with the Hometown Journal Kit and I'm going to be doing this. It's a file folder shape piece and what I'm going to do is put them together. Now you can use the same kind, put two of these together, print them out twice, put two of these together and put two of these together. I think I've got it set up to where I'm going to be doing one of each, right? Because I've done this one. I just hinged it together as per, you know, how you do things, right? So my recommendation is that you cut these out, print something. I use the grid sort of page from the background page from the journal kit. You can use the ones with the roses on it. It's got a lot of options that you can do with that for background pages. So I cut these out and it's a really simple make. Okay, I'm going to put that one to the side, and we're just going to take, this is the grid page. Yep, I didn't backside print this one. This is a scrap that I had from something else I was doing. So it's an inch wide, and the length of this, right? The length of your file folder. So I want the grid to show and not the white. So I'm going to do it this way. This is really super simple. Now, you may have other ideas on what you want to do with these pages, and that's fine. It's all about what we want to do as crafters, how we want to manage that. I'm going to put the tape on first. I think, if I can find my tape, is this, I'm going to do the other one, because I don't want hangover. I don't want to have a hangover. Okay, so I'm going to do this one. And just have, it doesn't have to be perfect, just fold it in half. If it's a little bit bigger on one side than the other, well, that's a little bit much. Gosh, and I even scored it. So anyways, just fix it and have it to where it's kind of the same-ish, you know, it's a thing. So yeah, just put this together. I did make some different elements for this journal kit because, I don't know, I was in the mood, right? I wanted it to be different. And I was experimenting with new things that I wanted to do for this, not just this journal kit, but future journal kits. Okay, so I'm going to take off just that bit there and just this bit here, so that we have it sort of like a wedge, I guess. It's just that angle there. Because if you don't, sometimes that can, I don't know, it can be problematic. It can be not where you want it to be, okay? So I'm going to put it on this one, and then we'll put this one onto the whole thing, right? Where's my doohickey? So yeah. We're just going to hinge it on. It's really simple. And I think I'm going to put these at least in one signature. I may do one in each signature. It's just a thought, you know. I think it will be fun to have and be it'll be a nice element. And there's lots of possibilities. We're all about the possibilities, right? Okay, so I'm going to try not to get my head in the camera while I do this, okay? You just want it right to the edge, right up to the edge of your paper. Not over the edge, though. Not over. Okay, like so. Now, for this little piece, I'm just going to trim that off. But, there you go. Yep. Just like so. And we'll put this one onto this one. I think they're going to be cute. Now, you can print them out smaller and make them small. Make them, you know, print 2 to a page and have little small ones to make little things to go in, like a journal card to go in a pocket or whatever. That's fun. And I may end up doing some of that as I move forward with this journal. The hometown journal is going to be just, I don't know. There's going to be several different components to it, really. I mean, you know, why not, right? So you want to just kind of get it straight with itself and get that straight with it. That's not straight. That's not straight at all. Get off of there. You silly. Okay, let me see if I can do better at that. Oh my word. Sometimes things get all funny with you. It's been one of those mornings though. Let me tell you, I have had a morning. It's been one of those, oh, can I just start over? You know, that kind of thing. I don't know if you guys have those or not. I do on occasion. I have those days. Now, I'm going to ink that down there since it doesn't want to be straight with me. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Where's my scissors? I'm going to take that little snippet off there. Yep, that one's okay. So, as it folds, you can see a little white in there, so I'll do that off camera. But anyways, that's the file folder. It's cute. It's functional. You can put it in a signature. This is lightweight cardstock that I use to do this with. So yeah, we sew through that all the time. So it's good. Yeah. Yeah, just cut it out. And you've got, like, if you put it in a signature, and you have the papers in here, and you have some more papers over here, you've got this side over here doing this, and you've got this side over here doing this. And I made these as big as I could make them to print out on the page and not print off the page, so that you could do that, and they would be about, you know, the size of a page, right? So let me see. This, it's going to be a tiny bit smaller, but not a lot. See, you'll have it just inside the page. I hope you can see that. Because, yeah, it's, if I'd have made it any bigger, it would have printed off the page. I tried stuff, but yeah. So, yep, there you go. Now we've got these ones. Let's see. For the hometown journal, this is just a tray I put things in. So we've got a couple of these made. I'm going to do another one because, you know, I got those printed out. I've got some flip pages, thingies. They're flips, pockets, thingies. We've made our slider, right? And there's the little folio with all of its paraphernalia. So this is building. If I could use my words more properly, we would have more. I can't even, you know, it's a thing. Okay, so this little tub is building with all kinds of stuff for the hometown journal, and it's going to come out, and I'll show you some stuff real soon on what I'm going to do. You know, I'm making that, I'm trying to have a craft lunch over here. I'm making that tall journal, which isn't in here, but it's in yonder because I'm working on it. So we've got these that we're making, that we made today, and yeah, the tall journal will resurface real soon. The envelope journal that I'm making with the hometown paper pack will surface real soon. It's just I got a lot going on. I've got a lot going on with the 100-day project, right? I'm in the thick of things, right? Okay, anyways, we made these. I'll do another tutorial on the elements in the hometown kit real soon, and you'll see we've got lots and lots and lots and lots of stuff to do with it. Okay? You guys take care. Please like and subscribe, pretty please. Thanks for watching. TTFN. Bye.